welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you the most delicious and easiest beef birria recipe that you have ever tasted. But you know something? First things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have salt, apple vinegar, Bailey's, allspice, whole cloves, ginger, thyme, marjoram, cinnamon stick, garlic cloves, Mexican oregano, and cumin. These are the spices. Of course, on the description box you're gonna have the measurements. And here I have Guajillo chili pods, half an onion, morita chili pods, tomatoes, pasilla chili pods, and of course the beef. Here I have short beef and beef chunks. You decide what kind of meat you want, but it has to be beef. So this is the most delicious and easiest recipe for beef birria. So let's get started and let's make this at home and enjoy it with our families. I want to start here with the tomatoes and the onion. We're going to go ahead and rinse them very good. This is completely done. And here I have my chili pods. I have the pasilla chili pods that I removed all the seeds. I removed the seeds from the Guajillo chili pods too. And let's go to the stove. I have a pan full of water. It has 4 cups of water, and I am ready to add all the ingredients in here except the spices. We're gonna cover it and let it cook. Let me show you the meat. I have the short ribs, I have chunks of beef, and I'm gonna add some salt, a little bit at a time until everything is nice and incorporated. I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit, and let's see how the mixture of the veggies are. They're nice and soft. The tomatoes are really soft, and that's exactly how you want them. Let's remove them and start adding them to the blender cup. Now I'm going to add all the spices, including the garlic. Everything is going to go in. I'm going to add the apple vinegar. I'm going to add the salt. And remember, the salt is to taste. We're going to blend it for about 5 minutes, and look at this. It's nice and thick, but yes, it's really delicious. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the meat, and I'm going to mix it around because I want the meat to really get covered completely with this delicious sauce. I'm going to add some more and just incorporate it. After everything is incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic right on the top, and it's gonna go straight to the refrigerator for 24 hours. This is completely done. My friends, my meat has been marinated for 24 hours. And you know something? I am ready to put it on my Instant Pot, and it'll be ready in 35 minutes. So let's get started. I want to show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Instant Pot, and you're going to fill it up to where it says max, no more than that. And I am ready to start pouring in all the meat piece by piece until I am completely done. Of course that I'm adding that delicious sauce, and I'm adding 3 more Baileys right on the top. This is gonna cook for 35 minutes. Remember that in this Instant Pot, the food cooks very fast. We're gonna push and look at this, 35 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna continue with my cilantro, onion, lemons, and tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing out completely through running water my vegetables, especially the cilantro. Once this is completely done, let's go and let's start chopping away. I'm gonna start with my organic lemons, and I want to show you that they have no seeds at all. Look at this. I'm going to continue slicing my lemons one by one, and I'm getting ready a plate so that I could add everything in here. I am going to continue with the onion, and the onion I'm going to slice and dice in very small pieces, just like that. You want to make sure that the onion is really small. And look at this. This is exactly how you want it, nice and small, so that it'll incorporate completely with the rest of the ingredients. I have here the cilantro. I'm going to remove the edges of the cilantro, and now I am ready to start chopping away. Once this is completely done, I'm just going to add it to the same plate. And you know something? Let's go see if the beef birria is ready. The machine is off completely, and now I am ready to turn the little knob. Be careful so that all the pressure starts coming out. It takes just a couple minutes. And now I am ready to reveal. Let's see how this beef birria came out. Look at this. Nice and tender, nice and soft. The consome looks amazing. The smell, well, of course, this looks delicious. I'm going to plate it, and on this, I'm going to add a little bit of the consome right on the top. And now I am ready to prepare it, but I want to show you how soft the meat is. Look at this. This is very soft. It's even pulling away from the bone. I'm getting ready my consome. I am ready to make my taco. And of course, I'm adding on the taco some onion, some cilantro, and a little bit of lime right on the top. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious beef birria. Of course, made in my Instant Pot. It only took 35 minutes, and the meat and the juice is just amazing. You know something? The meat is so tender that it really falls apart. The consomme or the sauce is so delicious and so penetrated that, you know something, I know you guys are going to love it. But let me stop talking and let's make myself a delicious birria taco. I'm gonna add, of course, be generous with the meat, some onion, some cilantro, and a splash of lemon. On my consomme, I added the pineapple salsa that you already have on my channel. This is the part I love and enjoy. And you know something? I love dipping my taco into consomme. Just like this. Excuse me. Amazing. The consomme is so delicious with that onion, the cilantro, a splash of lime, and of course, the pineapple salsa. You know something, my friends? You can make this delicious recipe at home. If you have an instant pot, there's no excuses. It really takes 35 minutes. You prepare your meat 24 hours before, and then you know something? You enjoy this delicious beef birria at home with your family. Well, thank you so much for being here. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious beef birria consome. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.